Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Monday, June the 27th, 2016. The July corn finished today basically unchanged, up a penny and a quarter to settle at $3.85 and a quarter, with the December going home up just a half cent at $3.94 and a quarter. Corn tried to work back up today, taking back some of the losses from the last couple of days, only to fail and give up the majority of its gains that it found early this morning. The USDA's latest crop progress numbers were just released, and they have the good to excellent category unchanged nationwide at 75%, but we need to look a little closer and start to pay attention to the state-by-state numbers, as some key corn growing states are continuing to slip a little bit in the weekly report. It is worth noting that the poor to very poor category has moved to 8%. July 16 beans were up sharply today, 33.5 cents at 11.33, and we felt like the losses were a little overdone last week, and there is another chance for beans to make its way back up. The demand continues to come in with trade notifications such as the one today of 150,000 metric tons, and the crop progress report continues to look good, with 72% in the good to excellent category, 95% emergence, which is a couple of points ahead of last year. But we do want to keep an eye on the poor to very poor category in beans that sits currently at 5%. July wheat was down 7 3/4 cents as the narrative continues to be an oversupply, settling today at 446 3/4. There has been a revision in the USDA's bushel per acre of 1.1 reduction down to 50.5 bushels per acre, but that's still a near record yield pace. Now, the downside risk we feel like is much better than the upside potential for wheat, as there is plenty in stock. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Monday. We'll talk with you tomorrow afternoon. One thing we do want to remind you about is First Notice Day coming up on Thursday the 30th, along with a very important USDA stocks report. Thank you and have a great afternoon.